Today we'll be trying out some TikTok makeup hacks. Yes, as somebody that doesn't know how to do makeup, I feel like this will help me to practice. If you're new here, my name is Tolu. Welcome back to my channel. Grab your snacks, grab your popcorn, grab your coffee, grab your drink, grab anything, whatever, because this is gonna be a fun video. Okay, my face is bare. I only have moisturizer on my face. So we have eyebrows, we have foundation, we have blush, we have highlighter, we have contour, we have eyes, lips. First makeup step is moisturizer and then followed by priming the face. So moisturizer is on, so let's prime our face. I have this moisturizer that I got from Shop Miss A when I did the video a long time ago. Not that long, but ooh, it's a banana primer. I love this. Check out our first hack, which is the brows.
Are you still carving out your eyebrows like this? A bright ass concealer, 300 shades lighter than your skin tone. Thick carving all across the bottom and the top. It's really hardening your look. Don't worry, let me show you how to achieve the perfect soft brows that will really complement your features. Right, first of all, you need to wipe all the skincare off of your eyebrows, or it's gonna be really hard for product to stick. I love this e.l.f. brow gel. My eyebrows actually go in every direction possible, even directions I didn't know existed. So laying them down gives a more sleek, clean look. So first I use the Benefit Brow Detailer. It's really fine and precise, and I'm using this to like define the outline over the bottom and the top, but not in like a straight line. I'm doing it in strokes so it has more of a natural finish. Then I use the Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's got a thicker tip and I use this to like fill in any gaps in the middle of my brows. So now this is what we're working with. It looks clean. Then I go in with this spoolie and brush through my brows, blending all the product together just to give a really soft and sleek look. Now for the carving. Stop using a white ass concealer. I use the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Amon. It's really close to my skin tone, if not my exact skin tone. Also, I'm only concealing right under my arch. This makes the brow look a lot softer and less harsh. So you can see it still looks wearable without makeup and super elegant with makeup.
Cute.
You're welcome. Why?
Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh my god, I'm scared now. I'm kind of scared, guys. I'm scared. So we're gonna be using concealer. This is the concealer that I have from Sephora, guys. Because my brows are like thick enough, I love this brows and they're dark enough. We're gonna leave it like this. We're just gonna be using the concealer to like give it like a little bit shape, because I love my brows the way they are. My hands are like shaking. Okay, not the best, but like this will do. Oh, that's too much. Guys, this is why like I don't do makeup. I'm telling you guys, like I feel like this side is more defined. Okay, so let's blend. Okay, not the best, but that is looking good. Okay, let's move on to the next hack. So our next hack would be our foundation, because of course that's what we need.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine.
So we put powder first.
Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent
powder. I hope my face is not gonna be cakey. That's why I'm so scared of, you know, makeup. I'm so scared. And then we put in face mist. What is it called?
Also wait for the setting spray to dry first.
And then guys, we already primed our face. We're gonna prime our face again. And then you apply your...
It's a technique that's probably still used by so many other people. I heard that it's been used for like a long time, but I just found out about it. And look, honestly, look.
So the purpose of this is to make the face like very smooth. So let's just get right into it. So we use powder first. I have this Flawless Loose powder, also from Shop Miss A. Let's use this type of brush and apply. Oh, okay. I don't know if I like this style, but you know, who am I? I'm just a girl learning makeup, you know. I hope there's nothing like excessive prime in the face, if that makes sense. Okay, I got this foundation from Sephora, and it's the best foundation so far for my skin. I love it so much. It's a skin tint actually, not like a foundation. Okay, apply. Is it wrong to use this big brush for your foundation rather? Okay, I think this is coming along, so it's not bad. I mean, I don't like what my brows are doing right now, and it's my fault because when it comes to brows, like I've never look anything makeup. I've never been good at it. I'm telling you. Okay, if you see me with makeup and it looks good, it's just luck. To the next act, I feel like this is looking good. Yeah, I feel like it was supposed to give you like a very smooth, clean look. I think it's doing that, no? And then I kind of miss a step. I think I missed a step. I'm just realizing that I was supposed to put... Guys, I told you it's going to be a fun video, didn't I? I mean, we can still do it now, right? Okay. This is looking so good. Let's move on to our next hack. So this next one is going to be blush and the highlighter together because I really liked it. I really love this video. When I found it, I was like, yes, I'm trying this out.
Sunset
Look at that.
blush.
Like, that looks like, you know,
No,
sunset and like,
So it looks like she
you
took a
know.
pink and an
So
orange
for
blush.
her,
These are
she
the only
did
ones I have.
2 colors.
This one, right? Right. And then for the orange, I do have this new e.l.f. camo blush in the shade Coral Crush. I don't know if this is the exact one Alyssa used in the video, but let's just get right to it. So we're gonna do 2 dots of orange. And yes, I do have powder on.
We're just
already. I don't know.
we're
But
just
it's
going to be
like
doing
regular
one
white
color.
tussle. And now
So
let's do 2 dots of pink.
and the highlighter.
And then we're
Yes.
gonna add highlighter. I pulled out
Because I just got this new blush that I really want to try. I used it in my last video, but like you guys are gonna see that. Oh my god, I really love the blush.
no stop.
Look at that. That is looking so good.
Wait. I love this already.
Let's try it
I love
out.
it.
This is the blush. It is from Rare Beauty. Like this would be my first product from Rare Beauty, and the reason was because I saw the color purple and I was like, oh my god, that's a very fun blush. And oh my god, this is so beautiful, guys. I know we're not reviewing, but that's so cute, very cute. And then you open, that's a very nice purple, guys. So we're gonna be using it because they look so similar. That's why we're gonna be using this. So because ours is not liquid, so we're gonna be very careful with this, and I hope it works because it will be so nice. So they put it somewhere here, right? That is okay. And then to the other side, there's also a video saying that like you don't put your blush on your cheek area because it drags your face down when you release your face. So you want to put it like on top of your face. That is so pigmented. I love it. So okay, we put it like that. We're gonna blend it later. Let's do the other side. Oh yeah, that is very beautiful. Because the video we watched was liquid, but this is not bad too, guys. Like like look at this. Just look at this. This is beautiful. Like you're going everywhere and you're like, like everybody's looking at you, you know, everything, you know, shining the white light on them. Oh my goodness, that is so cute, guys. Look at that. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Next one would be concealer. So this lady applied a blush and she put in the concealer over the blush. So that's what we're going to be trying. And then putting a little bit of loose powder on it. Oh, this is so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Putting on the concealer after the blush. Oh my god, this is a good hack, I'm telling you. Look at that. Like, it's so nice. Oh my god, yes. This is perfect. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow, wow. I keep saying wow. Honestly, whatever you need, you can get on TikTok. This one is my favorite one out of everything. It is the eyes.
So of course I had to try it out for you guys.
Yes, with a spoon.
I'm using this palette. It was a little bit hard to
We
get
already
the hang
did
of holding
that.
the spoon as well as applying the product. It's like I'm not used to using my left
So she's
hand,
using
so
blue.
it
We're
was
gonna
a
be
little
using
bit shaky
purple
on my
because
first
I already
try,
have
as you
like
guys can see the line is
purple
not completely straight,
stuff
but I feel like
going
the
on
other eye
here.
was a lot quicker and a lot easier once I got the hang of how to hold the actual
Yeah, that's
tool.
cute.
I used the straight side of the spoon to do the wing liner.
And then she
I
put
did a
it
little bit
as
too high,
her
but it's a learning curve, you know what I mean? It's my first time trying it, but overall, I feel like if you do struggle with doing cut creases, it does give you the shape and it does.
Okay, let's try it out. I'm scared because like that's a lot of work. That's like a professional work, but like we can do it. We have our spoon. Let's try and get purple. Why do I feel like I can use my blush? Okay, I found a purple right here. This is like having an eye patch. Okay. Is it working? I think it's working. Wait. It's not bad. Like, you just have to, like, you know, blend it out. It's not bad. Look at that. It's okay. So that's the other side. Not bad. Like I said, you just have to, you know. This is what we have right now. I think it looks good. Like, put the picture here, like side by side. It's pretty. Okay. It is pretty. I'm gonna try to like brighten up my eye area because I wanted to do like a darker eye. Not the best, like it's not perfect, but like, so our last hack would be for the lips. We're not gonna use the same lips as in the video that we just watched, this one. So we're gonna use our same, you know, a different type of lip. So I was supposed to contour, but like contour doesn't, I don't know how to do it properly, but like this next arc should be able to help me to be able to control my face.
You want to focus on drawing sort of like a 3, curving it towards your cheeks and then bringing it all the way down.
Should be easy. It should be easy. So
bring it inwards towards your nose to hug your cheekbone.
Pray for me.
If you want fuller lips, but you're still doing this like we did in 2016, let me help you out, sis. It's time for a new technique. You see how this looks much fuller, but more natural at the same time? Taking a brown lip liner, I'm placing a little line in like the hollow area of my lips. I know it looks really funny, but this is where you use your fingers. Blend it out using the warmth of your fingers, and what you're doing is essentially contouring your lips, so your lips look bigger without actually looking unnatural. I'm topping it off with a little bit of lip oil.
It just gives it like, I feel like you know, the illusion of like, you know, a plump lips. I feel like that's what the idea, and I think it's giving that. Maybe I should wear it out like this. I don't know guys, I don't know, but this is very, very cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What do you think about my little makeup tutorials? Thank you to all the creators that I took you know, their acts and like using them in my own video. Thank you so much for giving us, you know, I think it's creativity, guys. Whatever I see online, I give kudos to whom it is due. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also comment down below. Let me know what you guys actually think about this. Thank you once again, guys, for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.